Hello, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to present you 45 of the most amazing crochet Christmas decorations. From crochet Christmas ornaments to home decor, Christmas tree skirts, and beautiful blankets, this roundup has it all. Some of the patterns are free, some are paid, and I have linked to the YouTube video tutorials whenever possible. Before we dive in, I wanted you to know real quick about a free mystery crochet along that is taking place from December 1st on Nikki's Homemade Crafts. It's all about crochet last-minute gifts, all with a video tutorial and written pattern, and you have the option to join for free or purchase the ebook. You will find the link to join in the description box below. Let's jump right in. We are going to start with some crochet Christmas tree ornaments. Number 1. Make a mini wreath and candy cane out of curly cues. These are so cute and easy. Number 2. Those remind me of some vintage baubles we had at my house when I was a kid. The gold thread just adds a touch of luxury. Number 3. When crochet and embroidery meet, they make magic. You're going to need a macrame ring to keep them in shape, and it's the most unique crochet Christmas tree ornament I have ever seen. Number 4. Those mini bauble Christmas trees can be whipped in a matter of minutes, and it's an excellent way to use up your scrap yarn. Number 5. Those crochet baubles look like candy. How adorable. Number 6. These Christmas crochet baubles are the perfect example of what simple crochet stitches and some decorative elements can do. Number 7. What can I say about these? They are just like a sweater in a tiny ball. You can make them with just about any yarn you have on hand. Number 8 and number 9 are for those of you who like color work or would like to try crochet color work but are afraid of making a whole sweater. These are perfect for practicing your stitches on a small scale. And look how adorable they are. Number 10 is my personal favorite, and I can't wait to get started on my crochet start tree topper. Doesn't it look just fabulous? Let's move on to the crochet Christmas garlands. On number 11, we have a simple Christmas tree garland with a bit of texture and a lovely color selection that is a bit different than the usual green, red, and white. Number 12, the most adorable little gnomes looking like gingerbread cookies in a garland. Just adorable. Number 13, a Christmas garland with a rustic feel? Sign me up. You can make these little stars out of cotton yarn scarps you already have in your house, or choose something fancier. Stars will always shine. On number 14, we have an easy, chunky crochet garland that you can use to wrap around your whole Christmas tree. You can make one in less than an hour. Let's move on to crochet Christmas wreaths. Number 15 uses a foam base and super bulky yarn, and it's probably the fastest to make. Isn't it effortlessly chic? On number 16, we yet again have a foam base and some loop yarn to wrap around it. This is so easy and fun, and probably a great project to make with your kids, as it doesn't really involve a crochet hook. Number 17, another great project you can do with your kids. Just let them wind balls of yarn and you are done. Number 18 is the same idea as the previous one, with the loop yarn, but I couldn't help myself. This one is so luxurious. Again, a great example of the things we can create if we combine crafts. This last one is finger knitted, but you can totally whip up a crochet chain and achieve the same result. Or you could try finger knitting for once. Our next category is crochet Christmas stockings. It wouldn't be Christmas without them, right? On number 20, we have the most adorable textures combined. Crochet baubles and faux fur yarn. Look at how cool it looks. It deserves a place on the cover of a magazine. Number 21. This is a more classic style with a textured hem on the top. Just lovely. Number 22 is created with thinner than usual yarn and lots of textured crochet stitches. I love the color choice on this one too. Number 23. Oh my gosh, I have seen this Christmas crochet stocking pattern everywhere, and for a good reason. Isn't that the most beautiful stocking you have ever seen? Number 24. This is another classic Santa stocking, and the white faux fur on top just adds a little bit of luxury to it. This is the last stocking I have for you here, but if you go to the link in my description, you will find a blog post that I compiled this summer with 19 crochet Christmas stocking patterns. And we are moving to the Crochet Christmas home decor section, which can be just about anything you can use to decorate your house. Number 25. Adorable rustic farmhouse tiered Christmas trees. The cinnamon sticks just make a great addition to anything fall or winter. Number 26. A bauble crochet pillow cover that has the shape of a snowflake. This looks store-bought, but it definitely isn't. How cute and original. I think you can sense a theme here when I present you another bauble pattern. In number 27, we have a classic Ho 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 Santa pillow. Number 28. There's nothing more adorable and Christmas-like than a deer in a plaid background. For number 29, we have these adorable crochet hot pads, a candy cane, and a Christmas tree. They look so vintage and elegant. Number 30, an adorable and colorful mini Christmas tree. This looks like it just came out of a fairy tale. In number 31, we have these puff stitch crochet trees that can also be used as a nightlight or to bring a festive and calming atmosphere into your home. Number 32 is not exactly a home decor item, although it can be used as an ornament if you hang it on a piece of thread. These adorable gnome bottle toppers are the perfect way to dress up a bottle of wine when you are giving it as a gift for Christmas. In number 33, we have my mini Christmas trees, which can be made with worsted or super bulky yarn and have two different options for adding snow. Create your own tree farm in different sizes. Another vintage-like crochet hot pad for number 34. If embroidery is your thing, you are going to love this one. Moving on to some Christmas tree skirt patterns. On number 35, we have an easy crochet tree skirt with super bulky yarn and some big cute buttons. This is open-ended, so it will fit your tree. Number 26. With some large baubles and shells, this Christmas tree skirt couldn't be more romantic. For number 37, we have a matching pair for you with small baubles and faux fur yarn, just like the Christmas stocking in the previous section. They would look adorable as a set. In number 38, the yarn does all the heavy lifting. Very easy crochet pattern that looks so luxurious based on the yarn you're going to use. And finally, number 39, the most classic Christmas tree skirt I could find. It's all about feeling like a kid again. We have reached our final section with Crochet Christmas blankets. Let's take a look. Number 40. The most famous Christmas truck, and probably my favorite song lyrics written on the blanket. Number 41. Adorable Christmas blankets in corner-to-corner crochet that can also be customized with someone's name on them. For number 42, we have an easy way of creating a Christmas plaid blanket with just a 2-row repeat. Number 43 is simple and elegant. Bauble Christmas trees with simple crochet stitches and a bauble border. In number 44, we have another matching pair that you can make a set of. Remember the snowflake bauble pillow from before? Finally, for number 45, we have the all is white blanket that's definitely not all white. Find some self-striping Christmas yarn for the stripes and make lots of pom-poms for a playful look. That was my Christmas home decor list for this year, and I really hope you liked it. Thank you so much for sticking until the end, and please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite and which one you are planning on making first. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more crochet inspiration. See you in the next video. Bye!